Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How have you been so far? Hope you are doing fine. For the newcomers, my name is Kola. Welcome to this YouTube channel. For the returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for being supportive to me. And in today's video, I'm having a very interesting video kama kawaida. And in today's video we'll be doing it is about this amazing plant. It's called aloe vera. So I'll be sharing with you how to use it at home and still glow, as in glow and save. Welcome. So let's get to the business of today, and therefore we'll be using this aloe vera. You can see it is removing some water. So I'll be slicing it into cubes, small cubes like this. Then I'll be removing this, the thorny part, this part. Then I remove this part. Actually, this is the easiest way to use aloe vera, and aloe vera, as you know. So I'll be removing like that. After that, instead of blending, I'll be using this one. That's why I've said save and what and the glue. So I'll be grating it here. We grate is normally use this thing to remove things like ovo. You see this one. So I'll be grating. You see? This now is what we call aloe vera gel. This one. This is now the gel. But the grating now because it's still thick. You see? And this gel, it's good for your face, those who have dark circles, those who have acne, rashes, pimples, dark, even dark parts. If I can use that layman's language. Even dark parts, you can also use this gel. Even for your hair, aloe vera gel is good. Then I will be transferring this gel to my bowl like this. Because that's not enough, we're going to take another pot like this one. We remove the thorny part. Then we remove the upper part. So even when your hair is, can I say stranded, or it has stopped growing, you can use this gel. If you have dandruff, you can use this gel. As in, aloe vera has a lot of benefit. You can also drink it if you have healthy issues. Great. After finishing, we transfer this to the bowl again. You can see we have this one and this is not yet enough. We'll be using another one. Remove this tiny part. Then after extracting this gel, now you can see the way it is. Let me a bit tilt the camera. For the jelly part, I'll be adding just a few drops of sugar, few pellets of sugar. This one. Then I mix on. I don't know if you can see. Aloe vera is also good for those who have large pores. It helps in closing the pores. The sugar will help in tightening the skin. If you have wrinkles, if you have black lines, if you have you have dark circles. So after mixing this mixture, this is sugar and aloe vera gel. I'm going to tie my hair with this cute hair, I would say bandana, but I just love it. It's not small, it's not big. And we try to what? We try to set it so it can be a bit looking good. Make them closer so you can see what. Does it look good? So, come to the business of today. Therefore, I'll be applying this on my face. My face is clean. Then I'll be applying this next, just using my hands so I can massage well the gel. Be putting some in my hands. Slidey. That's how it's going to make your face look like. So I'll be massaging my face with the gel. with the sugar. I've touched my, what is it called? My tongue with aloe vera. Okay. Let's continue. So for those who have dark circles, we do take this finger like this. This the center finger. Make sure you don't have the what kucha. You don't have long nails. So what you do, you start from in, go like this. Massage your hand very well with these two fingers like this. You can see. Close your eyes, then massage your eyes from this point, going round like that. For the cheek, you do like this. From here, you do like this, then you go down like this. From here, you do like this. Take this part and do like this. For those who have love lines and wrinkles, you touch from this place and you do like this. Then you go from your nose, nose we do like this. Okay? Like this. And yes. Like this, then you go down. It might look funny, but it will help you. Then you leave it for 30 minutes. It dries off, then wash off. Then we see there is that aloe vera. So as you can see, I've washed off my face and it's time to moisturize. Before I moisturize, I'll be sharing with you a few of my moisturizer. So when I'm indoors and I'm not doing my makeup, I normally use this Amara Roshia. As you know, what is it called? Shea butter. It's very nice. It's a very nice moisturizer even for body wise. Okay, for sorry, not for body wise, even for your skin. If I'm doing my makeup or I'm going out, just for to protect the skin, so from the harsh weather and from too much sunlight and the dust outside, I normally use this. This is Vaseline cocoa butter. So as for now, I'll be using Vaseline just to moisturize. Remember to avoid a sagging skin. Don't do like this, like we normally do, like this. You see? And always take your time to apply your moisturizer Take your time, moisturize very well. Don't do a rush, run a rush. How is the look? Therefore, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos that I'll upload. And if you are new, please support me by subscribing. And ciao as always. Bye bye till we meet again.